Hi, I'm Meg, our senior site merchant, and today I'm going to unbox and try the new ISDIN Eryfotona Night Serum. I'm so excited to try this because it's a part of the Eryfotona collection, which features sunscreens that help repair sun damage throughout the day. You have to see these before and afters. This person used the product for 3 months, and you can definitely see how much smoother and brighter their skin is. The Eryfotona Night Serum contains technology to repair accumulated sun damage while you sleep. It's powered by night repair zones, which help improve accumulated sun damage, while allantoin and vitamin E offer antioxidant and soothing benefits. It's got a really lightweight texture. It doesn't feel tacky like it would stick to my pillowcase, and it's really drying down nicely. I can see how this would be calming and also help reduce signs of sun damage. I think this would be a perfect addition to my nighttime regimen. If it's anything like the Eryfotona sunscreens, I know I'm gonna love it. If you wanna see more unboxings, tutorials, and education like this, like and subscribe. Goodbye.